The SimpleLink SensorTag is a Bluetooth low energy device with a number of sensors on it, and it's built to give you an evaluation kit to check how good you can build low energy applications on the CC2650 microcontroller. But not a lot of people know that you can also program this kit as a Bluetooth low energy sniffer, so you can sniff traffic with this device. The only thing you need is the SensorTag, the Debugger dev pack, and the firmware to program it as such. And once you've done that, you can use the Texas Instruments Ble Monitor and the B-Tool applications to sniff and send Bluetooth low energy payload. And I'm going to show a test setup here. And my source of Bluetooth low energy traffic is going to be this Cypress PSoC 4 Ble development kit. So we will be using this to send information over Ble, and we will sniff it with the SensorTag.
The firmware needed to turn the SimpleLink SensorTag into a Ble sniffer is available from the SimpleLink Academy. You can see the URL here, but I'll also post it in the comments. And when you surf to that URL, you'll find a link to the software. Once you've installed the SimpleLink Academy, you'll get a few example files, and they are available in Code Composer Studio under the Resource Explorer. I have installed the SimpleLink Academy on my PC here, and you'll see that under the Bluetooth Low Energy projects, you'll find a host test tag section with two applications or two Code Composer Studio projects, the application and the stack. And the only thing you need to do is import these two projects by following the wizard here of the TI Explorer, of the Resource Explorer, and you have the application ready on your SensorTag. The only tricky thing that is documented here, but don't forget to do that, is that you have to change the debugger. Typically this project is configured for the XDS 100. You have to switch that to the XDS 110 because the debugger dev pack is type 110. Once you've executed those tasks, you can run the Ble Monitor and the B-Tool from Texas Instruments. But first you should check in your device manager to see where the UART port is for the SensorTag. On my computer that is COM7. You will need to configure that in the Ble Monitor or in the B-Tool. So I'll start the Ble device monitor first to have a look at how it looks. I've just enabled the Cypress Ble here, and it is found when I did a scan. We can click on that, we can connect. And once we've done that, we can read the Ble characteristics of the Cypress PSoC 4 system on chip. I could drill here into all of the attributes and see what it's saying. We can read data. There is a whole number of things you can do with this sniffer. You can also send data, so you can interact with the application and with the Ble communication. I'll also open the B-Tool here to see that this one works too. Once I open that, it asks which port I have to use. So I'm taking the COM7 here, which is the right port for my device, and it will open. Then there is a number of things that you can do in the B-Tool. We can scan for devices, so I'll push the scan button and then press the transmit button of the Cypress kit, and all of that works. So this shows that you can turn your SensorTag into a Ble sniffer and that it is compatible with the B-Tool and the Ble device monitor of Texas Instruments.